Here's a program, darling.
Mama,
Eh?
they put the wrong name on here.
What you say?
They put the wrong name. They put the wrong name on here.
How you mean you don't know your auntie name?
My name is Suzette.
No, that's her home name. Her real name is Trudy.
So Suzette is her real name?
No, listen. Me say, Trudy is her real name. Suzette is her home name.
So where they get Suzette from?
Me don't know them say when she born she look like a Suzette.
Oh, yeah, no. Her name is Trudy. I can say Auntie True, Auntie T.
Shh. Why you talking so loud?
How can somebody look like a Suzette?
Oh, what's the big deal? Why we can't call her that?
Because it doesn't make any sense.
What's your pet name? Or what them call you? All right, what them call you? Mackerel, Slimmers, want big up my driver, Concrete from back in the day. Concrete! We say when the foreigner them come and I say my driver come pick you up and say what him name? I say Concrete. Me still don't know Concrete real name to this day. Oh my goodness, traditions. Every country has particular traditions that outsiders find weird. But today we're looking at a few of our own traditions. We're looking at a tradition of ours, which isn't only weird to foreigners, but to us. Is it weird to us? No, we're used to it. So we showed you that one. Jamaicans usually give someone a nickname. That sounds like an actual name, or them just name something else their whole life, and then you find out when them dead, and also them did name. Yeah. So,
Here's my question.
Yes, go ahead.
A nickname and a pet name is the same thing? That's the first question I have. The second question I have is where Nick come from? Why is it a nickname?
Can you nick it on it?
Because like my brother, the Jackie Bell Knockout, that's in honor of my late brother. But him don't name Jackie. Jackie not no part-time name at all. But they just call him Jackie. And I think I was told once that because he must look like my grandfather who then called Jackie, them just call him Jackie.
No, you're right. A nickname is usually a shortening of your real name.
No, because them call me Bertis, and Bertis is not.
No, what I'm
part
saying,
of
that's your pet name. Maybe.
That's what I want.
What's the difference between a nickname and a pet name? My floor manager calls me MP.
MP. Yeah,
and
but
some people call me
Empress.
Prezi, because the Prez. Some people call me MP.
Yeah,
now, that would probably be more Nick, because you're taking from the real name. But if you call me...
What's your parents call you? Outside of
depends on the day. Empress, Eartha, or Camille, depending on the day.
them call you by your right name. They don't give you a pet
I've
name.
never had I can't remember. No, it depends.
Well, there was a baller that played for Kingston College, and them called him Helmet.
Yeah.
I don't know why. And there was one that played for Jamaica College, and them call him Pot Cover.
Whoa. Wait. My other driver, Peters. Peters.
So we have some here. PZ.
Who?
PZ.
Who named PZ?
You know.
No, that mean your head small.
I think we have somebody here called Wani. I wonder why.
Wani.
I wonder why.
What about
Reds?
Everybody knows somebody named Blacker. And big up Blacker Ellis. Is that your real name?
Mackerel.
Who named Mackerel? Slimmers.
We have a baller named Mackerel.
Muma. Sharpman. Well, we know Sharpman from the Digital Rising Stars too. Toffee. Nutsy. Thank you, Benji.
Slimmers is the next one.
Slimmers.
Yeah? Then you have Muma.
Oh, no, you're right. Them call me Mama E, the youths them.
Mama E. All right.
Talk up youths. Mama
Short
E.
man. There's a baller called Toffee.
Yeah. Antsman, DJ Antsman.
We don't reach down there yet, man. We
don't
reach
reach down
Nutsy
there?
now. Nutsy. Easy now, Nutsy. Liver Lip?
You know somebody named Liver Lip?
No.
How the liver lip? When your lip big
That means lip.
and it long over, all right.
And they have Tickers.
Tickers?
Well, there's a baller with them
know.
called Tickaros because in tick.
And
man.
you know, and we know some of our Jamaican women are very
Antsman.
And big up my DJ Antsman,
And
my
Juicy.
talk up youth.
Yeah.
Youth DJ.
And then in here we have
Antsman.
Soft Man.
Yeah, we have. Soft man, come in and tell me why they call you that. You know, soft man, where you there?
Not there.
We're not here today?
Soft man, and then I started calling him Softington. His name is Lawrenceston, by the way.
That's soft man's name?
Yeah, Lawrenceston Hall. Man, so like him have money, man, the third. Yeah. Lawrenceston Hall, the
Lawrenceston
third.
Hall. So he's not here today?
No.
What about that one there?
Who?
Cappy.
Cappy, the time just wear cap.
Cappy, come here and tell me why your name so.
Because
why your name
wear
so?
cap, me just tell him wear plenty cap.
Can you always wear a cap?
Yeah.
So that's where you got the name? Oh, wow.
Let me just sit there.
What's your real name again, Cappy?
Cap.
Huh? Kelly?
Yeah, him name
Your
Cap.
first name Kelly?
No, first name is Cap. Him name Cap Kelly.
You name Cap?
Yeah.
No! Shush! What is your real name?
Lascelles Kelly.
Lascelles
I just tell you.
Kelly.
Yeah, and the middle name is Cap.
So how long your name Cap? From you know yourself? You always wear a cap? Cap did back in your day? Okay. Because he's not young.
All right, the band is here. I don't know if them have any nickname over there.
Yeah, we're going to find out.
Last Slick is a nickname.
Slick.
Eh? Titimus. Hey, here's the band.
Woo, 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 yeah. Na, 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 na. From the first time I saw your face, I knew you were the one because I couldn't wait. I did not hesitate to tell you how I feel. Cut to the chase, I love your sex appeal. I look into your eyes, that's when I realize you were meant for me. It's like you're customized. Girl, I'm a better man to have you in my life. Let's sign the deal, you got me mesmerized. Loving you each day, I grow stronger. The bond we make, girl, they can't break us under. I just wanna hold you and squeeze you, protect you in his arms. I just wanna hold you and mold you, captivate you with these charms, girl. Now that you're here with me, find my inner peace.